Have you ever stood in your kitchen holding a tiny essential oil bottle and thought, what exactly am I supposed to do with this besides make it smell pretty? What if I told you the most hard-working cleaning products and the simplest home hacks are hiding in those tiny bottles that smell amazing? Well, this week we're kicking off something special, a short mini series of essential oil hacks that are simple, practical, and a little bit surprising. If you've ever wondered what to actually do with those tiny bottles, this episode is for you. Welcome to the Sparkling Life Coach podcast. Hey, Sparkling One. I'm your host, Dee Diaz, an integrative nutrition health coach and essential oil specialist. Welcome to the place where we help you increase the sparkle in your life from the inside out, one tiny shift and one joyful habit at a time. I'm so glad you're here because today we're kicking off a short mini series I'm calling Essential Oil Hacks, Things You Didn't Know. And trust me, some of these are going to surprise you. We're going way beyond diffusing lavender at bedtime. Yes, we're entering the world of sticky stickers, messy kitchens, and situations where you look at a stain and think, well, that's permanent now. Before we jump into the hacks, I want to give a quick why behind essential oils because I know some of you are longtime essential oil lovers and some of you are like, okay, Dee, explain to me why a tiny little bottle is suddenly the hero of this story. So here's the deal. Essential oils come from plants, the aromatic parts, and they're super concentrated. Think of them like the plant's personality. A single drop can do way more than you'd expect. Not because it's magical, but because it's literally the most potent part of the plant, pulled out and bottled. It's chemistry and centuries of use packed into something tiny and powerful. And because they're concentrated, they're not just pretty smells. They're supportive, they're cleansing, some are energizing, some are calming, and in daily life, they can be shockingly handy in ways I didn't learn until I started experimenting. That's why in this episode, you'll see the same oils doing several different jobs: cleaning, freshening, soothing, and even helping around the house. Let me tell you exactly what I mean. Picture this. I'm pulling laundry out of the dryer, all proud of myself because I'm actually ahead for once. I hold up a shirt, one of my work shirts, mind you, and I freeze. Right there, stuck to the shirt, is a Mickey Mouse sticker. Because, yes, when you work at Disney, Mickey finds you in your bag, in your car, in your hair, apparently now in my dryer. And this little Mickey was stuck like he had signed a contract. I'm standing there wondering if I need scissors, a chisel, or maybe a tiny mouse-sized eviction notice. But then I remember I have lemon essential oil. I dab a little on the sticky spot, rub it gently, and suddenly Mickey lets go like, oh, bye, see you real soon. That was the moment I realized I had to tell you about the whole double life essential oils are living. If you're brand new to essential oils, here's what you need to know for the series to make sense. 1, they're powerful. A little goes a long way. 2, they're versatile. You can use them for wellness, for cleaning, for cooking, and even to adjust your mood. 3, you don't have to be an expert. You just need to know which essential oils to grab when life gets sticky, literally. Okay, let's jump into a few of my favorite beginner-friendly hacks. Let's start with some laundry hacks. Hack number 1, dryer balls plus essential oils equals better laundry. If you're still using dryer sheets, I'm sending you a gentle virtual hug because sparkling one, there's a better way. Switch to wool dryer balls. Add 3 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil. Could be lavender, lemon, or eucalyptus. Any of your favorite oils will work. Just place it on the wool dryer ball, let it soak in, and then toss them in with your load. Your laundry is going to smell fresh. It helps it to dry faster, and you're not sending synthetic fragrances into the air. Fewer chemicals, fewer trips to the store, and more sparkle. Hack number 2, you can use lemon essential oil to remove sticky residue. As I mentioned, things like the Mickey sticker, the gum, the unidentified sticky situation in your child's pocket or your own. No judgment here. Lemon essential oil does the work. Just dab a few drops, rub it gently, and wipe away. The patch will be gone. No scrubbing, no drama. Of course, I'm going to give you a little tip here. Always test it on a hidden seam first, especially if the fabric is delicate. Hack number 3 is to make a do it yourself stain stick roller. I make a stain stick with a roller bottle. I fill half of the roller bottle with On Guard Protective Blend laundry detergent, half with water. Then I shake it and I roll it on the stains before washing. It works like a charm. So you can say goodbye to stress about spaghetti night mishaps. Now let's talk about some kitchen hacks. How about using toothpaste for stovetops? On Guard Protective Blend toothpaste can clean glass stovetops. Just spread a thin layer, let it sit 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub it gently and wipe it clean. It's going to leave it sparkling and satisfying. Or better yet, keep the On Guard toothpaste for your teeth and use that toxic toothpaste you've been using on your glass stovetop instead. Hack number 5 is a lemon steam microwave cleaner. If your microwave is messy, all you need to do is fill a mug with water, add 5 to 10 drops of lemon essential oil, and microwave it for 2 minutes. Let it sit and then wipe everything down. The grease is going to lift easily and the smell is heavenly. And then once the water cools down, you can put that in the diffuser and have it diffuse in your kitchen. Hack number 6 is a dishwasher freshener. All you have to do is place a bowl of white vinegar on the top rack and add 5 to 8 drops of lemon essential oil or tea tree essential oil and run a hot cycle. It deodorizes and it helps reset your dishwasher's scent profile. Hack number 7 is for a fridge freshener. Just pop an open box of baking soda in the fridge and add 2 to 3 drops of lemon essential oil or Purify cleansing blend on the box. And you can do this weekly. Bye bye, mystery food smells. Hack number 8 is for a trash can deodorizer. For trash, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with drops of lemon essential oil or Purify essential oil and sprinkle it at the bottom of your trash can. It's going to neutralize odors and keep your kitchen air friendly. Hack number 9 is a toothpick swirl for cooking. You know you can use a lot of doTERRA's certified pure tested grade essential oils for cooking, right? Well, if you want a hint of oil flavor without overpowering your dish, what I do is I dip a toothpick in the essential oil and then swirl it in my recipe. It's perfect for citrus or spice oils where one full drop would be way too dramatic. Kind of like when I did that with oregano in my spaghetti sauce. Yeah, take my word for it. You want to use the toothpick. Now, let's move from the kitchen to the whole house. These are my go to home cleaning tricks. If you're looking for a carpet and mattress refresher, all you have to do is get a jar and mix 1 cup of baking soda with 10 to 15 drops of lavender, lemon, or I love also using wild orange essential oil, and sprinkle that over your carpet or mattress and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then vacuum. It's a gentle, non toxic refresh that actually works. Hack number 11 is the magic sponge spray. It's a quick cleaner. All you have to do is get a spray bottle, fill it half with vinegar, half with water, plus 10 drops of lemon or tea tree essential oil. Shake it, and you can use that for counters, for sinks, and for quick wipe downs. It's a total workhorse. Hack number 12 is the diffuser plus the vent trick. I'm sure you already know this, but if you diffuse lemon or purify essential oil for 15 to 20 minutes after cooking, those lingering smells will neutralize faster than any aerosol. So that's our kickoff to the Essential Oil Hacks mini-series. A little background for beginners, a few quick wins for my seasoned oil lovers, the sticker rescue, the lemon mug microwave trick, dryer ball magic, and a handful of home cleaning shortcuts that actually make life easier. These are the small things that add up to a calmer, cleaner home and more time for the things you love. If even one thing made you think, wait, that works? Just wait until the next episodes. If you love these hacks, please subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss the next episode where we'll be talking about essential oil hacks that actually save you money. And who doesn't love saving money? If you want to pick up any of the essential oils I mentioned today, check out the affiliate link in the show notes. Using that link helps support the podcast and the free resources I make for you. And come join us in our free community, the Sparkling Life Holistic Health Hub. That's where we hang out, we do wellness challenges, we chat essential oils, and we celebrate your healthy wins. We're friendly and we love sharing ideas. It's a great place to ask questions and to swap hacks. Thank you for spending a little of your day with me. Building a sparkling life doesn't mean it's perfect. It just means we're choosing small, delightful habits that help us feel better. I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, sparkle on, and don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle everywhere you go. Ciao.
Hey Sparkle Squad, are you loving the Sparkling Life Coach podcast? Has the podcast ever inspired you, made you smile, or brought a little sparkle to your day? If so, we'd love your support. To keep this passion project shining, you can help by subscribing, sharing with a friend, or, if you're able, clicking the link in the show notes to become a patron. Every little bit helps us spread positivity, holistic wellness, and vitality far and wide. By supporting the podcast, you're not just fueling our efforts, you're joining our mission to uplift, empower, and inspire others to live their best lives. Your generosity creates a ripple effect, helping us sprinkle a little sparkle on everyone who listens. Thank you for being an essential part of this vibrant community.